Trade does provide economic benefits, but they may not reach the poorest people, those who are deprived of even the essential resources to meet basic needs, at either individual or community level. Many poor communities have the will and capacity to trade, but when it comes to seizing new business opportunities, poor people face problems. They suffer from the disadvantages of little or no education, lack of business training or connections to those who can help them start or expand a business in the formal economy and break into global trade. At the Millennium Summit in September 2000, the United Nations reaffirmed their commitment to working towards a world in which sustained development and elimination of poverty would have the highest priority. ITC launched the Export-Led Poverty Reduction Programme in 2002 as one of its major contributions to the Millennium Development Goals.
Poverty is the biggest challenge of the 21st century, but it's today when we really have the ability to do something about it. ITC is working with governments to find ways to include those at the very bottom of the economic sector and include them in work which brings them into formal exports and involved with formal businesses. This is the big challenge. This is something that EPRP is doing, and we're very pleased about some of the things that we have been able to accomplish.
To start an EPRP project, ITC needs a formal request from a government or from a recognized institution. An opportunity study is then carried out to avoid creating false expectations in poor communities, and also serves to identify promising products and committed partners. The program stimulates the establishment of a support network. In that way, it can transmit the know-how that leads to success stories, as is the case in India. EPRP projects are currently implemented in 18 countries and have so far benefited about 31,000 poor people, 2/3 of which are women, creating additional jobs and higher income. Salaries have gone up considerably. Additional results are the rise in self-confidence of participating women and the positive environmental impact of introducing eco-friendly production methods and sustainable forms of tourism. Building on its first success stories, EPRP is striving for scaling up and replicating in other sectors and regions, thus producing measurable impact at the country level. In this, larger partnerships and strategic alliances will be instrumental.